Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. It's been a very weird week. I hope everyone having a great day. Um, I'm waiting for the rapture. They say it's I think it's Tuesday and Wednesday, 23rd, 24th. I just don't believe why people still believe that in that shit. It's not even in the Bible. It's just I used to be a youth pastor, just letting you guys know. I'm not an atheist. I'm a Gnostic. There might be a higher being. There may not be. I don't really give two shits, to tell you the truth. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon, Discord. We have the deal going on Patreon. $5 for five figures. This last month and this month. And if October Patreon don't make any money from it, I'm just gonna discontinue paying someone to make the models for for Patreons because it's a lot of money, and I would like to at least break even. If I break even, I'll probably make more figures, but I ain't breaking even at all. I'm negative right now, and yeah, it was an idea. It's just too many people, I would say, have a whole bunch of stuff. It's also I do not want to spend a couple $100 on one little mini, custom mini, uh, you know, and just make a whole bunch of it. I tried AI. It's not that great. AI 3D modeling sucks really bad. I think a lot of AI programming software sucks really bad too. ChatGPT sucks. A lot of that stuff sucks. It's a good tool to use, but you gotta use that tool, then you gotta refine it yourself. We have the finished product out. It's just crap, and it's not really AI. It's just gathering whatever information you can find online and just compile it into one. That's basically what it is. I will call it a compiler, you know. But anyhow, I am buying all my 3.5 books. I made shorts of it. A whole bunch of them are coming back. There's some stuff I haven't never bought, like the miniature handbook. I'm actually gonna be looking and reading through it. If you guys want me to like read through these things and stuff like that, let me know because I don't mind. I know someone likes the Helsing D20 system um, that I have. Back in the day in 3.5, there wasn't a Kickstarter. I think 3.5 came out in the early 2000, I would say, 3.0, 3.5. Because I had mine when I was in like eighth grade, if I remember correctly. So instead of having Kickstarters back then, they have these little thin hardcover or soft cover books that they sell throughout in random places that you can special order it. I don't know how, but you can find a whole bunch of these books at thrift stores back in the day and half price books uh, and a whole bunch of used bookstores. And you don't really see much of them anymore. Like the Diablo 2, I did not know nothing about until my friend James had it and I bought that off of him. Found out there was a World of Warcraft freaking 3.5 book that I want to get because I used to be a huge World of Warcraft player and I have a lot of World of Warcraft minis for it as well. And they got anime, they got D20 Modern. Um, that's another system I played a long time ago. It's more like an utopia of what's right now, mixed in with creatures and races from D&D. So you have like a bugbear police officer and stuff like that. But yeah, you used to find a lot of them at the used bookstores. That's how I got a lot of these things. These weird things. They got Slayer. They got the Berserk one back in the day. They had Street Fighter. I don't know if I have all the Street Fighter ones for it. I never played it, but I would like to try it out. It's one of those things, but I need to find people to play it. And at my age and this day and age right now, it's very hard to find people to play a certain type of game. Some people will just stick with Pathfinder 2s, D&D 5, 2014. I have found no one that plays the new 2024 Player's Handbook. I think it was crap. Even though there's still 5e element, just push it over. They should just revise it and call it 5.5. Even though it's not really 5.5, it's like a mixed between it. You cannot use all the rules from 2024 into your 2014. You can't use all the rules of 2014 to 2024. You're gonna have to kind of homebrew that a bit for it. I'm a huge 3.5 player, and I still enjoy it. I finally have a game for 3.5 that I'm actually DMing every other Saturday on Roll20. When fourth edition came out, I have a couple of the books for that. I thought the battle system and everything else wasn't great. The fourth edition is like what Pathfinder 2 is. Just don't kind of like that battle system at all. So I went with when that came out. I did Pathfinder 1 for the longest time. Then jumped to 5e for 2014 one. I enjoyed it to a bit. It's more simplified, more easier for players and so forth. And only way I can get more players is teach the people how to play. 3.5 in Pathfinder 1 is more complicated, more math involved, and more of a reading towards it. But overall, it's a game I prefer. If you want more of an advanced, like expert level D&D, do AD&D. Let's see how long you last. You die so quick. Oh, fucking, freaking! Oh, if I throw a rock at a wizard, or back then called a mage, you dead. That's how difficult it was. Higher level you are, the greater a chance of survival. And your THACO and your hit rating will supposed to be going to zero. Zero is like the best, and like negative is like the best number that you really want in the game. It's just one of those things that I want to try AD&D. I tried a few times, but it's very, very confusing time to time. If you do not know the rules by heart, a better example is play Baldur's Gate 1 and 2, Icewind Dale, and Planescape. It's basically AD&D rules for that. So, and you find out how many times you actually will die multiple times before you're able to get understand the rules and generalization for that as well. I am making a book. I don't know. I'm gonna be a Kickstarter or I'm gonna sell it as PDF. It's gonna be like Isekai World style. I think I'm gonna make it into a 3.5 rule to make it a lot more easier. But I think if I do a fifth edition rule, it'll probably sell a lot better because a lot of people play fifth edition right now. Pathfinder, and I've seen a lot of people transition from 2014 fifth edition. When 2024 fifth edition came out, people moved to Pathfinder 2 a lot of it as well. But you've any like 3.5 books or AD&D books or Pathfinder 2 or Pathfinder 1 or any other obscure TTRPG book that you know, let me know. And if you want to sell it to me, let me know. I might buy from you as well. Well, while school's kicking my ass and my child will be out in the real world in 20 years. I mean, not 20 years, 20 more weeks. Oh God, 20. I can see Ashley 20 years. I created a fully developed human in my belly. That's an adult in many ways. Well, um, I probably will go back to painting by the end of the year. I still have a lot more stuff to prepare for around here and cleaning up a lot of stuff. I'll show you some more shorts for it. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.